Being a construction project manager isn't just about managing timelines. It's about mastering a blend of skills that make projects run smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive into the top 5 skills every great construction project manager needs to master. First up is leadership. You're not just managing projects, you're managing people. Leading by example, communicating effectively, and motivating your team are essential to driving success on the job site. Next is time management. Construction projects are full of tight deadlines and unforeseen delays. Mastering how to plan, prioritize, and adjust schedules will keep your project on track and your stress levels in check. Third, budgeting and cost control. Managing the finances of a construction project requires attention to detail and the ability to forecast costs. Keep your project within budget, and you'll keep your clients happy. Fourth is problem solving. No construction project is without challenges. Whether it's supply chain issues, unexpected weather, or last-minute changes, your ability to think on your feet and find solutions is what sets you apart. Finally, technical knowledge. A solid understanding of construction methods, materials, and regulations is crucial. Stay updated with the latest industry standards to make informed decisions that keep your projects safe and compliant. Master these 5 skills, and you'll not only manage projects, you'll lead them to success. Remember, great project managers aren't born. They're built.